friends. Welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make French bread. I have some dinners coming up here in the next week or two that I need French bread for. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, we're gonna start off with adding 2 cups of the flour to our mixing bowl. And this is just an AP flour. All right, so we're gonna add our flour, our yeast, and our salt. Now mind you, this recipe takes 5.5 to 6 cups of flour. And at this point, we're only adding 2 cups. So I wanna mix that. Okay, now we want to add our warm water. At this point, I'm going to stir in as much of the remaining flour as possible. Mixer didn't want to overdo my mixer. So finish this off by hand. Lord, that's all I can do, folks. My wrists aren't as strong as they used to be. So we'll put it in here. I'm going to flip it over and we'll cover it with saran wrap. I'm going to put my dough in the proof box. We'll take the lid off. Put our bowl right in here. Now we're going to let this rise for 1 hour. Here is our dough out of the proof box. So we want to lay this out on a lightly floured surface. You want to punch it down. Now I want to divide it in half. And I just eyeball it. Sometimes you can feel if it's the same weight or not. Okay, so now we're going to let this rest for 10 minutes. Okay, our bread is ready. And now we're going to roll these in rectangular into rectangles. Going to spray this down. And sprinkle with cornmeal. Now I'm gonna pinch these seams. Turn under these ends. And the first one is ready. We want to put it seam side down, just like that. I'm going to put an egg wash on it. Then we're going to put this in the oven and let it rise for 45 minutes. Oh my goodness, these really rose. First things first, we're going to make our slashes, and we want to make them about a 1/4 inch deep. This is to let all gases out. I'm going to give them another egg bath. Hear that crunch? That's a beautiful piece of bread. Our French bread is done, and now we have a buttered piece right here, and we're going to have to try it. That's good. It's got a crunch to it. It'll be really good with our soup tomorrow. Excellent. So we had a successful French bread bake today. Thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.